seeing more and more pictures, videos about empty shelves at Walmart and other stores because of storms or the unknown. Listen up, I might have some ideas for you. Hello, Pup Tom here. First of all, Happy New Year to everybody. Sorry I've not been on for a while. But I want to address something. I noticed a lot of posts on Facebook here lately about Walmart shelves were being empty and those kind of things. Stores shelves were being empty because of the storms that's been coming through here and in Canada as well as in the northeast of the United States. And this is all stuff that I've kind of addressed a little bit in my past, but I'm not one of those that says you need to prep for months or years, but you should be prepared for at least a couple 3 weeks. And I just thought I'd kind of address that a little bit today and share what we've done. So let's get started. Hi, Papa Tom here. So I just wanted to give you an idea of what we do in our pantry and our thoughts behind some of what we do. Now this is our backup pantry. This isn't our main pantry. So this is just stuff that we have extra of just in case. It comes in handy for things like, if you have extra people over for dinner and you weren't planning on, or if all of a sudden you get a major snowstorm or whatever and you can't get into town, we have a few extra things to in our shelves. So let's just get started. So I'm not one of those believers in that you have to be prepared for years or months, but you should be prepared for at least a couple of weeks or whatever. This is just our backup pantry here, and I just thought I'd kind of go through some of our thoughts on this. Backup pantry is good for if you have extra guests that show up, or if you do get snowed in for a couple of days, whatever. So as you can see, we have some canned vegetables, whatever you like. Reason we have a few canned, we also have frozen, just in case the power goes out and you lose some of your stuff that's in your freezer. We also have evaporated milk, in case you need to make something with milk. We have extra condiments. We have some fruit here. And then we have stuff like stovetop stuffing. We have extra salt back there. We have KD. We have ramen noodles. Over here, some of the bulk stuff. We have some different soups. We buy spaghetti in the bulk, so you have lots of spaghetti. And we have spaghetti sauce here. Then in here is where we have like our extra flour and sugar, some more salt. The reason we have so much salt is I found after when COVID hit, for some reason, salt was not on the shelves. So what I try to do is when I notice things that tend to disappear off the shelves, when they do get on the shelves, I'll buy extra. We have paper towels here, and we also have extra toilet paper, napkins, that kind of stuff. Then on this is a refrigerator freezer. Well, I asked my kids to put the extra toilet paper down here, and that's where it ends up. So up here we have some meat, but we also have things like French fries, frozen vegetables, that kind of stuff, some juice in here. This is our big freezer here. And as you can see, we have lots of meats. I buy meats through local farmers, ranchers. So we have some pork and some beef and some chicken. But if you can't afford that, that's fine. Just have a few, whenever meats go on sale, go there and buy an extra package and just throw it in the freezer. We also have some paper plates there in case we don't have water. We can at least have something to eat on and not worry about doing dishes. We also have extra water upstairs, drinking water. So you don't have to have a lot. And again, if you can see, this is all yellow cans. They aren't the high price stuff, the no name. So, you know, just what we do is when we go to the store, we just buy a couple extra cans of this or an extra can of that. You know, I know everybody's on a budget, and just do the best you can. And you could take a few weeks to do this, but and then things like, you know, canned meats, just in case. It's like this is salmon, I think, wild pink salmon. We got some more flour there. So anyway, just you know, let's not make a panic of things. Be prepared a little bit. You don't need much. So anyway, you know, and then this is our main pantry. As you can see, we have all sorts of stuff. We have our oils, extra pickles, we have crackers, more canned vegetables there. We have the cereals, we have noodles. This kind of thing works out really good. We have all our spices. Yeah, we have snacks. We cheat. All that kind of stuff. So, and if you bake, make sure you have your own, like your cornstarch, your flours, that kind of stuff. Baking powder. Make sure you have a little bit of extra of that. So, you know, you don't have to have a lot. This we didn't do all overnight. We just slowly been building it up over time. And also, yep, remember your animals when you're getting extra stuff. Make sure you have a couple weeks worth of food for them. Right, Oscar? Yeah. So, anyway, everybody have a good day. But, you know, let's just start being prepared a little bit for, always try to at least have 2 weeks worth of stuff in your house. And keep it that way. You know, and when times are tough, you got your backup. But then when times are a little bit better, that's when you spend a little extra money when you're in the store. And instead of buying one package of toilet paper, maybe buy two. Instead of buying 2 cans of vegetables, maybe buy 3 or 4. So you have a little extra that you can put in your pantry. And we found that like Christmas time, when times are really tough, having that extra food helps too. So our grocery shopping isn't quite as expensive. Because we have a lot in our shelves. So anyway, God bless. I want everybody to that likes this type of content, please like, subscribe, and share. I'm trying to build something to help people just through life in general. But anyway, you guys all take care and God bless.